Is having a business degree a waste of time? Now, there's a great debate. Is a business degree a golden ticket to succeed or an overpriced piece of paper? With skyrocketed tuition costs and the rise of alternative career paths, many are questioning the value of pursuing a business degree. So let's dive into the pros, the cons, and alternatives to see if investing years and thousands of pounds in a business education, is it truly worth it? Now remember, this is education mixed with entertainment. So let's analyze this train of thought accordingly. Chapter 1. The case for business degrees. A business degree offers more than just a credential. It provides a structured education in key areas like finance, marketing, and management. Networking opportunities are a significant draw. Business schools connect students with recruiters and industry professionals, and employers often prefer candidates with formal education in business as it demonstrates foundational knowledge and commitment. Additionally, specialized programs such as MBAs open doors to leadership roles and higher earning potential. However, is this structured path the only way to succeed in business? Chapter 2. The critic's perspective. Now, critics argue that a business degree is increasingly irrelevant in a world where skills trump credentials. Why pay $50,000 or more when real-world experience and online certifications can teach similar skills at a fraction of the cost? Entrepreneurship rarely requires a degree. Many successful founders like Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, they actually prove this. Additionally, students often graduate with generic knowledge rather than hands-on expertise, leaving them unprepared for the fast-evolving business landscape. If innovation, adaptability, and resourcefulness are keys to success, does formal education still hold value? Chapter 3. Alternatives to a business degree. The rise of online programs or learning platforms and industry-specific certifications has revolutionized education. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Udemy offer affordable courses in marketing, finance, and analytics. And internships and apprenticeships provide hands-on experience while allowing learners to earn as they grow. Entrepreneurship boot camps and mentorship programs help aspiring business leaders fast-track their success. And these alternatives cost less, take less time, and often provide practical skills that can be immediately applied. Are these new age options the future of business education? Chapter 4. Who should consider a business degree? Now, a business degree isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's ideal for individuals seeking corporate roles or structured career paths in industries like banking or consulting. For those who thrive in academic settings, the degree builds critical thinking and teamwork skills. It's also valuable for people who lack access to strong professional networks, such as business schools that provide those connections. However, aspiring entrepreneurs or tech-savvy self-starters, other routes may be more beneficial. Ultimately, the decision depends on career goals, financial situation, and learning preferences. Conclusion. Business degree, waste or investment? The value of a business degree depends on individual goals and the willingness to leverage the opportunity it provides. Whilst the degree is far from obsolete, alternative learning paths are gaining traction, offering cost-effective, skill-focused solutions. A business degree can be a powerful tool, but like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. So is it a waste of time? For some, yes it is. But for others, it's the foundation of their success. The key is knowing which path aligns with your vision. Now, if you want to support the channel, like, subscribe, and watch the content. And with that being said, I sincerely hope this video has provided value.